what is the importance of World Environment Day, and today's topic is also World Environment Day. So we will start our slideshow from beginning, I can choose from current cell because it's from beginning. Today is World Environment Day, June 5th. What is today? Today is World Environment Day. Don't use plastic bags. Beat plastic pollution. World Environment Day. Please keep the earth clean and green. Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated in June 5 every year. We should always take care of plants and trees. Trees give us oxygen to survive. Without trees, we cannot survive. We should plant trees. We should not cut trees. Deforestation of trees should be closed. Importance of World Environment Day, WED. We all live in the house of earth whose roof is environment. We should take care of these two because our life will be healthy and safe only when the earth will be green and the environment will be clean. The same earth, same environment and the life are the same. So do not waste it, live it. How can we save environment? Reduce, reuse and recycle. Cut down on what you throw away. Follow the 3 R's to conserve natural resources and landfill space. Volunteer. Volunteer for cleanups in your community. You can get involved in protecting your watershed too. Educate. When you further own or your educate. When you further your own education, you can help others understand the importance and value of our natural resources. Conserve water. The less water you use, the less runoff and wastewater that eventually end up in the ocean. Shop wisely. Buy less plastic and bring a reusable shopping bag. Use long lasting light bulbs. Energy efficient light bulbs reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Also, flip the light switch off when you leave the room. Plant a tree. Trees provide food and oxygen. They help save energy, clean the air, and help combat climate change. Don't send chemicals into our waterways. Choose non toxic chemicals in the home and office. Bike more, drive less. Introduction to World Environment Day. Official name: United Nations World Environment Day, which is also called in short as UN World Environment Day. Also called more names: Eco Day, Environment Day, and WED World Environment Day. Type: International. It is celebrated in all over the world. Significance: Environmental issues awareness. Observances: Environment protection. Date: 5 June. First time: 5 June 1974, 47 years ago. Introduction of World Environment Day. Part 2. Who started World Environment Day? Environment. Pollution. World Environment Day, WED, is celebrated on every year on June 5. On this day, people are supposed to do good things for the environment and sustainability. These acts help to protect nature and the planet Earth. It is run by the United Nations Environment Program, UNEP. World Environment Day was started by United Nations. The first Environment Day was started in the date 5th June 1974. When is World Environment Day celebrated? June 5th is celebrated as World Environment Day all over the world. It is a day to spread awareness about protecting the environment. June 5th was declared as World Environment Day by the UN General Assembly at the Stockholm Conference on the Human Environment in 1972. How public awareness is necessary in environment. Public environmental awareness is a primary concern of the future of humanity. Public awareness encouragement is essential for ensuring effective environment improvement and protection. Protecting our environment is the most important section of implementing a sustainable development strategy. History of World Environment Day, WED. World Environment Day was established in 1972 by the United Nations at the Stockholm Conference on the Human Environment, June 5, 1972. That had resulted from discussions on the integration of human interactions and the environment. 2 years later, in 1974, the first WED was held with the theme Only One Earth. Even though WED celebrations have been held annually since 1974, In 1987, the idea for rotating the center of these activities through selecting different host countries began. What is the reason for growing trees? As we can see, how people are suffering from coronavirus without oxygen, and for oxygen and survival of human beings, we have to grow trees. The population of India is nearby 135 crores. If each one will grow a tree, means only a single tree, one tree, then can you think that how much trees will be there in the world? There will be 135 crores trees around India, and all human beings can survive in India. I say that not only June 5, every day. It means 365 days it should be World Environment Day. We should not grow saplings or trees in Environment Day or take care of trees only on June 5. We should take care of trees 365 days. If we care trees, then trees will give us oxygen. Trees are God's gift, and we should care trees like our children. If we can care children, then without then we should care trees, because if there will be trees, then only the survival is possible, because without trees survival is not possible. No trees, no survival. A new slogan for trees: no trees, no survival. And the last conclusion: so bye and a happy World Environment Day to all. It's prepared by me. Name: Vivan Jain M71. Standard 8. Roll number 43. School name: तपोवन संस्कार धाम विद्यालय. It was हमको तपोवन संस्कार धाम विद्यालय ने प्रेरणा दी थी ये बनाने के लिए. धन्यवाद.